MFP Seals rod buffer rings are an excellent enhancement to medium-duty and heavy-duty cylinders, typically designed to work in tandem with a primary rod seal, such as one of the X-Pack family of symmetrical U-cups. The buffer ring enhances performance when sudden pressure spikes are encountered. An example of which is when an excavator bucket is shaken to release stubborn materials. The buffer ring acts like a shield, taking on a large portion of the sealing load, while still allowing fluid to bypass through and energize the primary rod seal. All buffer rings are designed to enhance cylinder performance in extreme applications. Buffer ring profiles range from a basic rectangle to more advanced designs that can also be used as a secondary rod wiper, or have special relief ends to eliminate pressure traps between the buffer ring and primary rod seal. Other buffer rings, such as one style of our BRU, inch, and MBRU, metric, rod buffer seals, have an anti-extrusion ring to help the seal withstand pressures of up to 690 bar, or 10,000 psi. Our BRS, inch, and MBRS, metric, rod buffer seals, made from PTFE, can withstand velocities of up to 4 meters per second, 13 feet per second. Currently, MFP Seals offers the following buffer rings in these compounds. The URB inch and MURB metric, a rectangular profile buffer ring, is available in U2162, a 95 Shore A TPU, with an operating temperature range of -53 to +93 degrees Celsius, or -65 to +200 degrees Fahrenheit. The BRS inch and MBRS metric rod buffer seals are made from our T1125 66 Shore D carbon graphite filled PTFE. They are also available in T5100, a 58 Shore D bronze filled PTFE. Both seals are designed for use from -200 to +260 degrees Celsius, or -328 to +500 degrees Fahrenheit. Each seal is equipped with an N6001 O-ring expander. The BRU inch and MBRU metric rod buffer seals are made from U2150, a 91 Shore A TPU, with a temperature range of -50 to +110 degrees Celsius, -58 to +230 degrees Fahrenheit, or our Ultraflex U2151 compound, a 95 Shore A TPU, with an operating temperature range of -53 to +120 degrees Celsius, -65 to +250 degrees Fahrenheit. It is also available in our U4150 PPDI-based TPU, with a 92 Shore A hardness and a temp range of -40 degrees to +135 degrees Celsius, or -40 degrees to +275 degrees Fahrenheit, with an intermittent exposure of up to 148 degrees Celsius 300 degrees Fahrenheit. The BRU and MBRU are also available in H2155, the 55 Shore D TPE, with a temp range of -54 degrees to +135 degrees Celsius, or -65 degrees to +275 degrees Fahrenheit. For increased extrusion resistance, be sure to order your BRU or MBRU with an M1001 anti-extrusion ring, capable of withstanding pressures up to 10,000 psi. For more information on our rod buffer rings, contact MFP Seals by phone at 248-585-8170, by email, sales@mfpseals.com, or visit our website at www.mfpseals.com.